Hey everyone, this is Dr. Hess, and I'm here with one of our favorite practice members,
Mabel.
And share with everyone your awesome chiropractic testimony.
Well, I've been coming for approximately 4 months, and I am feeling 50 to 60% better.
Wow.
I was taking Tylenol and a couple of other things, and now I don't have to take anything, and I'm feeling much better.
Great, good. What would you say to someone out there that maybe is skeptical or even afraid to come and see us?
Chiropractor works. It works, and I know it works for me. At first, I was kind of skeptical as well.
I know you. That's why I asked you that.
Right, as I began to feel better, each time I came, I would feel better each time, so I know it works, and come on down.
Awesome. You're always referring people to us. Thank you. I want to publicly say thank you. And well, thanks for being here with us. Make sure you comment, share this, and let other people know how chiropractic can help.
I certainly will.